In this video, you are going to see how to convert the Google Docs into JPG. So let's get started. There is no exact way, but we can use our trick. Let me go to File, go to Download and click on PDF document.pdf. Then this file will be downloaded in your computer. Here is the PDF file. Now go to any browser and let me write here PDF to JPEG. Then you will find various websites. I am going to use the I love PDF. Click on over here. Click on select PDF file and let me select it from my download folder. Click on open. Then click on convert to JPG. Then click on download JPG image. And here you will see the JPG image is downloading, and click on over here and you will see I have successfully converted the Google Docs to JPG, and here is the image. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.